fiber. Basalt fiber is a new type of inorganic, environmentally friendly, and high-performance fiber material, composed of oxides such as silica, alumina, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, iron oxide, and titanium dioxide. Due to its golden brown color, the process of producing basalt fibers is known as turning stones into gold. At present, China has listed basalt fiber as one of the 4 key fibers for development: carbon fiber, aramid fiber, ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, basalt fiber, achieving industrial production. The production of basalt fibers requires melting the crushed and washed basalt at a temperature of approximately 1,500 degrees Celsius. Then, the molten rock is extruded through a small nozzle to produce continuous basalt fiber filaments. The production process of basalt fibers determines that there is no discharge of boron or other alkali metal oxides during its production process, so there is no harmful substance precipitation in its smoke and dust, which will not cause pollution to the atmosphere. And after being discarded, the product can be directly degraded in the environment without any harm, making it a truly green and environmentally friendly material. CBF is the 4th largest high-tech fiber pillar after carbon fiber, P-aramid fiber, and ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene fiber. It can replace carbon fiber, P-aramid fiber under many conditions, and in some cases, its performance is even better than the above 2 fibers. The exceptional performance of basalt fibers and their products is manifested in the following aspects. 1. Significant high-temperature resistance and thermal shock stability. The usage temperature range of CBF is -260 degrees Celsius to 880 degrees Celsius, which is much higher than aramid fiber, alkali-free e-glass fiber, asbestos, rock wool, stainless steel, and close to silicon fiber, aluminum silicate fiber, and ceramic fiber. Good thermal shock stability, unchanged at 500 degrees Celsius, with only 3% loss of original weight at 900 degrees Celsius. 5. 2. Lower thermal conductivity. The thermal conductivity coefficient of CBF ranges from 0.031 W/mK to 0.038 W/mK, which is lower than that of aramid fiber, aluminum silicate fiber, alkali-free glass fiber, rock wool, silicon fiber, carbon fiber, and stainless steel. 3. High elastic modulus and tensile strength. The elastic modulus of CBF is between 9100 kg/mm2 and 11,000 kg/mm2, which is higher than that of alkali-free glass fiber, asbestos, aramid fiber, polypropylene fiber, and silicon fiber. The tensile strength of CBF ranges from 3800 to 4800 MPa, which is higher than that of large tow carbon fibers, aramid fibers, PBI fibers, steel fibers, boron fibers, and alumina fibers, and is equivalent to that of S-glass fibers. 4. Good chemical stability. CBF has better acid and alkali resistance than aluminum borosilicate fibers, 6 to 7. Its durability, weather resistance, UV resistance, water resistance, and antioxidant properties are comparable to natural basalt stones. 5. The sound absorption coefficient is relatively high. The sound absorption coefficient of CBF is 0.9 to 0.99, which is higher than that of alkali-free glass fiber and silicon fiber. Excellent transparency and certain absorption, excellent sound absorption and sound insulation performance, with good stealth performance, can be used to make stealth materials. 6. Good electrical insulation and dielectric properties. The specific volume resistance of CBF is higher at 1/1012 Ω/m, which is much higher than that of alkali-free glass fiber and silicon fiber. The volume resistivity is 1 order of magnitude higher than that of electrically insulated e-glass fiber, and the dielectric loss angle tangent is 50% higher. 7. Low moisture absorption. The moisture absorption of CBF is less than 0.1%, lower than that of aramid fiber, rock wool, and asbestos. 8. Natural silicate solubility. It has good dispersibility, strong bonding force, consistent coefficient of thermal expansion and contraction with cement concrete, and good weather resistance. The fiber preparation process is mature and cost-effective, making it a sustainable green fiber material. The basalt fiber composite material made from basalt fiber as reinforcement and resin as matrix has excellent mechanical properties, good environmental adaptability, and low price. It has the potential to replace existing glass fiber composite materials in high-tech fields such as vehicles, ships, aerospace, etc. Continuous basalt fibers can be made into roving, fine yarn, geotextile, woven fabric, shortcut yarn, needle felt, sleeve, etc., and applied in different fields. Basalt fibers have superior chemical, physical, mechanical, and high-temperature properties, making them widely applicable in various industries. Application in the field of fire protection and insulation. Fireproof cloth woven from basalt fiber has high temperature resistance, good insulation effect, no melting and dripping, no toxic gas discharge, and no heat shrinkage. It is an excellent material for fire-resistant clothing, fire-resistant blankets, and fire-resistant curtains, with a temperature resistance of up to 650 degrees Celsius and an ultimate oxygen index greater than 68, greatly superior to organic fibers such as aramid. Application in the field of infrastructure. Basalt fiber has high tensile strength, acid and alkali resistance, stable chemical properties, and can partially replace carbon fiber sheets for infrastructure repair, renewal, and reinforcement. It can also replace polyester fiber, polypropylene fiber, and polypropylene nitrile fiber, used to strengthen mortar concrete and asphalt concrete, with strong anti-seepage and crack resistance effects, and can be widely used in infrastructure fields such as highways, airstrips, seaports and docks, and hydropower engineering construction. Application in the field of environmental protection. Basalt fiber is a new type of green and environmentally friendly material that can be used for the filtration, adsorption, and purification of harmful media and gases in the field of environmental protection, especially in the field of high-temperature filtration. The long-term use temperature of basalt fiber is 650 degrees Celsius, far superior to traditional filtration materials, and it is the preferred material for filtration substrates, filtration materials, and high-temperature resistant felt. Application of basalt fiber reinforced plastics. BFRP composite materials reinforced with basalt fibers can be used in defense fields such as bulletproof armor, radomes, gun barrel thermal protection, and absorbing and transmitting stealth materials. It can also be used in civilian fields such as vehicle and ship structures, pressure and corrosion resistant pipelines, wrapped steel cylinders, printed circuit boards, etc. In addition, basalt fiber is also a low-cost alternative to carbon fiber, with a series of excellent properties. Especially important, as it is derived from natural ores without any additives, it is currently the only environmentally friendly and non-carcinogenic green and healthy fiberglass product. So the application of basalt fibers in the field of composite reinforcement materials has attracted widespread attention and will rapidly develop. The global production capacity of basalt fibers is mainly concentrated in countries such as Ukraine, Russia, China, the United States, Germany, Belgium, among which only Ukraine, Russia, and China have independent intellectual property technologies. There are about 22 large-scale production enterprises of basalt fibers worldwide, of which about 12 are located in China, concentrated in Sichuan Province, Zhejiang Province, Guizhou Province, Jiangsu Province, Hunan Province, etc. Among them, Sichuan Province has the highest production in the country, reaching 8,800 tons. The global market size was approximately $230 million in 2019, exceeded $280 million in 2020, and reached $3.8 million in 2021. Emark Group predicts a compound annual growth rate of 10.7% from 2022 to 2027, and the global market size will reach $450 million by 2025. According to the calculation of the Tobayo Industry Research Institute, the production of basalt fiber in China reached 14,200 tons in 2019, with a demand of about 7,500 tons. The domestic market size is about 750 million yuan, and the compound annual growth rate of the market size between 2015 and 2019 is about 49.5%. It is predicted that the national market size will reach 2.5 billion yuan by 2025. Main production companies. Sichuan Aerospace Tuoxin Basalt Industrial Company, Limited was established in 2004 and has reached the level of domestic and international development in fiber performance and terminal fiber products. Our main products include basalt fiber untwisted roving, textile commodity yarn, shortcut yarn, fiber fabrics, and other forms of basalt fiber fire prevention, flame retardancy, sound insulation, and dielectric products. Our related products have been applied to fields such as construction, metallurgy, machinery, electronics, automotive, chemical, aviation, and shipbuilding at home and abroad. Especially in the construction reinforcement industry, basalt unidirectional fabric is highly favored. Zhejiang Shijin Basalt Fiber Company, Limited, established in 2006, mainly engages in continuous basalt fiber untwisted roving, basalt fiber composite reinforcement, basalt fiber shortcut yarn, basalt fiber unidirectional fabric and other products. It is a leading enterprise in the domestic basalt fiber industry and has currently advanced fully electric furnace basalt melt drawing production technology in the world. It has always been in an international leading position in large leakage plate and large furnace platform technology. The company has complete independent intellectual property rights, with zero external dependence on raw materials, equipment, production technology, and processes. Kamenev Company in Russia, founded in 2002, participated in the international market competition of basalt fibers earlier and has a high reputation in the industry. It is the main competitor of basalt fiber production enterprises in China and has the belt and 10 flame combination furnace, small pool kiln, basalt fiber production technology, with a strong industry position. Basalt Invest Company, founded in 2004, specializes in basalt roving, fibers, and steel bars, with a series of high-quality products that have passed multiple relevant tests and certifications. Its products are exported globally. Mafic Company, founded in 2012, produces continuous and short-cut basalt fibers and long fiber thermoplastic, LFT, resins. It is the only continuous high-quality basalt fiber manufacturer in the United States and even North America.